Thank you so much for coming to our Owners and Managers Retreat. What did you think of your first event?
Just real inspired and impressed.
Beat every expectation of mine. I thought it was going to be, it was difficult to get away from my business for a couple of days, but I would do it again in a heartbeat.
What was your biggest takeaway? I know that we've been talking about takeaways, but what's your biggest thing that you might do differently as a result of being here?
Just get some more organization and get a structure in place and get everyone on board with that and just have it clearly defined, and hopefully everyone will be on board, and then we don't have to worry about that.
Yeah, that was one of two biggest takeaways, was not having those clearly defined expectations of our people. How could I logically be upset with them or disappointed in them if they don't even really know what I'm benchmarking, right? It makes no sense. And then when we talk about culture, that was just huge. I feel like our company at least has a decent culture. There's work to be done.
Oh, yeah.
Okay.
And we're gonna definitely use some of that.
So were there any surprises while you were here?
I was very surprised on the amazing food spread. It's incredible.
Yeah.
Absolutely incredible.
Yeah, and ice cream,
Ice cream.
root beer float. Yeah, it's excellent. It's just an excellent experience.
Like I said, class act of some organization here.
Yeah.
So if anybody was on the fence for coming to our next one, what would you have to say to
I'd
them?
say, do what you gotta do, take the time off, get over here, check it out.
You can make it happen. You can make it. If I can make it happen, losing my hair, you can make it happen. Do it. Do it for yourself.
So thank you for coming to our retreat. What did you think?
Well, I thought it was probably one of the best retreats that I've ever been to. It was very educational. I feel like I learned a lot, and I've got a lot of take-homes to take back to my company and try to make it a little bit better.
Awesome. Well, what was your biggest takeaway?
Difficult conversations. I think everybody shies away from having difficult conversations with the people that work for them. And I think that there's techniques and tactics and things that we've learned here to where I can go back, and some of those difficult conversations may not be as difficult as I thought they were.
Okay. So what was your favorite thing about the 2 days here?
Oh my gosh, man. I think the biggest thing is being a business owner and being around other business owners, realizing that we all have the same issues. Maybe we word them different, maybe we think of them different, but we all pretty much have the same issues, and we get together, and it's the camaraderie of business owners coming up with ideas. Somebody may have been through a situation that I have been through, or they've been through a situation, and we get to bounce ideas off of each other and maybe be able to work through those together. And I think that's one of the biggest things that made this enjoyable, was just to be around other people that want to be successful as well.
Well, thank
Positive
you so much.
energy.